Spider monkeys live in dynamic, ever-changing forests. But how can they track food sources in such a complex environment? Spider monkeys live in what scientists call fission-fusion societies. This means they don't stay in fixed groups. Instead, they split into smaller parties or travel alone and then meet up again later.
We were looking for the possibility that this fission-fusion dynamics be actually a strategy for foraging in a distributed way. So obtaining information that is unique to the different members of the group and then coming together to share it would make for a very efficient foraging strategy if you look at it at the group level.
Each monkey has its own core range that it knows well, but when they reunite, they can share this knowledge with one another, so the group as a whole ends up knowing more than any single monkey could on its own. To better understand this, scientists created a simple mathematical model to predict how much the monkeys' ranges should overlap while trying to maximise both the chance of encountering one another and the amount of unique information they could share. When they looked at their real-world observations of spider monkeys, they found that in many cases, the way in which the range of individual monkeys overlapped matched the patterns predicted by their model. The scientists also analysed individual overlapping areas using a mathematical object called a simplicial complex. Imagine each monkey as a dot. If 2 monkeys share an area, you draw a line between them. If 3 share an area, you fill in a triangle. 4, that's a pyramid. As more monkeys overlap, you build shapes in higher dimensions. This way, they're able to capture interactions between many individuals at once, not just pairs. The gaps, or holes in this structure, showed that some subsets of monkeys know areas that others don't, which is evidence of complementary knowledge. Both results suggest that spider monkeys are pooling their individual knowledge in such a way that the group as a whole has a more complete picture of their environment than any individual has on its own. This ability for a group to solve a complex problem is a powerful example of collective intelligence.
This makes you think about the very definition of intelligence and computation. So instead of occurring only in the minds of individuals internally, if a group can have some kind of intelligence or some kind of information processing or some kind of computational capabilities that go beyond, that extend outside of the minds of individuals, well, this has also philosophical implications for what we think is a mind and whether a collective mind could actually exist outside of our heads.